Hi, can I help you?
Hi, is this the house with? Is your daughter the one with the Tesla in the truck?
The Tesla in the truck. No, why? What happened?
Oh, I'm supposed to. I think I might have to. Um, could you come to the door, please? I'm gonna. I have to look at your face.
No, I can't at this time. What happened?
Um, so I'm a CIA agent, and there's an FBI house that there's a house filled with FBI agents. I thought it was this house, but I guess I'm mistaken. There's a house filled with FBI agents, and they're actively infringing on American rights, and they're betraying their badge, and they've been caught betraying their badge. So they're stuck in a house, and I thought this was the house they're stuck in.
No, no one's stuck here.
Okay. So you, no one who lives with you.
And who are you? Who are you? Are you a neighbor?
I'm a CIA agent. I'm a neighbor. I'm looking for the FBI house. And this is I guess it's not your house.
No, this isn't the FBI house. Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
I didn't. He walked away. I have it on recording.